Hello friends, this is premium car pedal kit from the brand Oshotto. It comes with a few bolts and socket that will help you to install this pedal on your car. It provides good grip on accelerator, brake and clutch. Also your car pedals look more stylish and sporty. These pedal kits are universal so that you can install this in any of your cars. Installation process is very simple, you can do it by yourself. All you gonna need is a screwdriver. At first you have to place the bolt and socket like this. And tight the nut from the back. And you have to do the same thing all the 4 sockets. And after that you have to place this pad on a car pedal and tight all the 4 screws completely. From the back side it will look like this, and you have to do same thing to other 2 pedals. Make sure all the pedals are fixed and tight properly before you start driving. Installation has completed. Now you can see your car interior look more sporty and stylish, and also it will provide you a good grip on car pedals. If you want your car pedals to look like from this to this, then you should definitely consider this car pedal kit. It provides excellent grip and improve your car driving experience. It comes with the different colors and different designs you can choose from. Installation process of all these pedals are exactly same as I explained in this video. You can also visit Oshotto store to buy these car pedals and explore other car accessories. Thanks for watching this video.